Hey everyone, this is your nurse Rina. Welcome back to my channel. Congratulations! You are now an NCLEX passer. That's an amazing achievement and it's a gateway for you to become a registered nurse. But here's the big question that a lot of you are asking. Now that I passed the NCLEX, where can I work? Well, today, I'm breaking down the countries that are accepting NCLEX passer. From the obvious ones like United States and Canada to some that you might not expected. Let's go and find out. The United States is the home base of NCLEX. It was created by NCSBN, the National Council of State Board of Nursing. So if you pass, you are eligible to apply for licensure in any of U.S. states. But remember, every state has their own board of nursing and as international nurses, requirements that might be slightly different from each other. So always check the board of nursing of the state you want to work. So next is Canada.
We are Canada, made up of 10 provinces and 3 territories.
Since 2015, they adopted NCLEX RN as official exam for registered nurse, except for Quebec, which uses the different system. So if you are an NCLEX passer planning to work in Canada, you should apply through National Nursing Assessment Service, or then go to the regulatory body of the province you are, like CNO for Ontario and BCCNM for British Columbia. NCLEX passer has a real edge in this process. Let's talk about Australia.
Didgeridoo, boomerang coming back to you. In
Australia are now accepting NCLEX RN as part of their new registration process under the Outcome-Based Assessment or the OBA for all international nurses. As international nurses, you need to apply through the Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency and go through credential check, NCLEX RN exam if you are not yet an NCLEX passer, and clinical assessment or behavioral assessment. So if you are an NCLEX passer, you're one step ahead. What about New Zealand?
We're the regions of New Zealand, it's real nice to meet you. Here's the geography of our island country, it's true. The Southwest Pacific Ocean is where our country stands. The North and South Islands make up our mainland.
New Zealand is also a best option for those nurses who are greatly affected with U.S. retrogression, like those international nurses in India. So New Zealand and Australia are the best option for them. Moving over to New Zealand, their council also recognized NCLEX RN for international nurses as part of their qualification. If you are trained in a comparable system like in the United States. Like Australia, you will go through the international registration pathway in New Zealand. But having an NCLEX RN under your belt is a major plus. International nurses and you struggle a lot, don't lose hope. You still have the choice. Let's go to Middle East.
There are 7 Emirates in the UAE. Sharjah, Fujairah, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Al Kuwait, Ras Al Khaimah, 7 Emirates in the UAE.
Specifically, the United Arab Emirates. They often accept NCLEX passer for international nurses. Here's the catch. You need to go to their data flow, then apply through their licensing authorities, DHA, DOH, or MOH. What about United Kingdom?
The United Kingdom is 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland.
The UK doesn't directly accept NCLEX, but that doesn't mean it's useless. If you are a US-trained nurses and an NCLEX passer, you have a comparable healthcare system. You still need to pass their examination, computer-based test or the CBT, and the OSCE. the objective, structured, clinical exam. So why not to try? If you pass the NCLEX and you study all the concept of nursing, it is easy for you to pass their CBT and pass their OSCE examination. Now for a tropical twist, let's go to Caribbean.
The Caribbean Disco Show.
Some Caribbean nations or territories like Bahamas, Bermuda, or the Cayman Islands, they are accepting NCLEX RN as part of their own process because they have a strong ties with American healthcare system. What about Guam, Saipan, and Northern Marianas Island? Since they follow the U.S. nursing standard, passing the NCLEX makes you to practice there once you have your US license. We have some bonus countries also to watch out, like Ireland, Norway, Germany, Singapore, and Qatar. So for tips for those international nurses, if you pass the NCLEX RN, what's the next step you need to do? Apply for credential evaluation through CGFNS and NNAS. And then the next step is choose your destination and check the nursing council's requirements. Understand the work visa requirements. You still need to go to the normal process of their visa process. Number 3 is having an experience 1 to 2 years for clinical setting, specifically if you're planning to go to UK or Australia. So to wrap it all, yes, passing an NCLEX is giving you opens a lot of global doors. And if you are looking forward to work abroad, you are almost halfway. So if you have some question regarding my video today, you can leave a comment below. If you think that you benefit on this video, you can like and subscribe. It will also help me to have more viewers and subscribers like you. Thank you for watching and see you then on my next video.